Hey everyone, today I will show you how to use an American Express gift card on Uber Eats to pay for your next meal. First of all, open your Uber Eats app and tap three dot icon, then click Wallet, then tap Add Payment. Select credit or debit card to enter your American Express gift card details, just like a regular card. Now enter the gift card number, expiration date, and CVV code. Be sure to balance on your card covers the total amount of your order, including taxes and fees. After adding the gift card, go to your cart at the checkout, select the American Express gift card as your payment method, complete your as usual. And that's it. Now you can enjoy your meal using your American Express gift card on Uber Eats. Thanks for watching.